Hello YouTubers and welcome. I've got an old Phillips speaker from the very late 1980s. Probably came out in the 1989 to 1990s. Very cheap design speaker. The box it used to be in was extremely cheap, paper thin. Yeah, a very small voice coil. It's not a very efficient speaker. I don't know what the ohmage or wattage is. I can't remember because I threw the box away and I don't even think it told you on the box. These are Phillips because it did say Phillips on the box. Here's what one looks like. The magnet is very small, very unusual box design. I think that's a model number right there, and that's a model number right there. I don't know if you can tell what year this is from. Very small voice coil in it as well. Probably maybe 1 inch, maybe. But yeah. Without further ado, the song I'm going to be using, because I got permission off this guy, and a shout out to him, is Your Boy Spongebob. He does very good songs, and I really like this song because it has good bass. There's where the bass is. There's where the volume is. It's maxed out on my phone. Wear good headphones.
Rapid fire might catch you in the head. Me baby girl, she loves the treasure bank account stacks. Now she's on my level.
I ignore the bad stuff that's bouncing in the speaker.
Gold coins, we never settle. Nightlife, and that's why we push the pedal. Overflow, we break the kettle. Tipping in sauce, got the ocean in the crib. Money in sight, I'm all about the chance. Dollar sign, gold sign, call it crusty drip.
I'm pushing this speaker really hard.
Fast lane, ain't no limit. Watch it whip, and I know you see me in it. Mr. Krabs, I know they see the symbol. And when you move, the money is so nimble. Rock the boat, go back and forth. Money crave, me wanting more. Spend it up, then we restore. I missed the bar, down to my core.
Sorry about the shaking, guys.
Real ice on the
I haven't done this in ages.
it's shining bright, just like a crystal. Aiming at the top like a missile.
It's not moving as much as what it shows on the camera.
And grab a patty. Pockets fat. They looking fatty. He spent it for. You gotta have it, makes him happy. Hey, me, I'm Robin Sutton like I'm Jackie. Crabs here, counting in the quid. Sipping on that soap water. No lid. Self-made. You know I did. I made my cake walk like I'm Jid. Hustle hard, and you know that's how I live. Walk on 8 legs like my squid. When they play the beat, you know I slid. Cash out, God forbid.
Speaker's not even warm. I'm going to back off the bass just a tad. There's 2 songs in this, by the way. That was the first one. This next song is about to come on.
Class in session. Float up.
There will be loads of videos coming out as well, by the way, guys.
Man, you know that I vote how I vote it, and I know that they hate how I roll it. Have to keep me that fire up on me. I will keep me some heat in the ocean. They can see that I'm cruising so cold.
There we go, max the thing out.
Go where I want when I want. Come and get you a license to show.
Bass is maxed.
Before you meet you a sale. Driving illegal, you're slow as a snail. Flying with the give me a scare. Scare me enough, I went up like a prayer. Back in the wood, yeah, hand me a spare. Whipping the boat, I have fuse in the air. The way that they're talking, they know I don't care. I need to get out of here. I'm about to flip out the left. You so tough. They can't even pay for my school. They can't even pay. Make you know that I vote how I voted. And I know that they hate how I roll it. Have to keep me that fire up, buddy. I will keep me some heat in the ocean. They can see that I'm cruising so cold. Clean out the sea and they see how I roll. I will go where I want when I want. Come and get you a license or show. I will go where I want when I want it. OG Puffy, you drive like a stolen. I don't have any clue where I'm going. I'll be flying the skies like I'm Boeing. See the sponge and I just thought exploded. He can drive and I put that on holy. I digress cause you notice my homie. But I'm real and I can't be no phony.
Hey, this is Pop. I'm about to eat these streets like Jeff. Right hand up and I swing my left. I don't hear what you're saying like I'm deaf. I am not a rapper, no, I am a chef. SpongeBob rock this beat like that. Kids need me like a UNICEF. Line under my chin like cleft. Yep.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and goodbye.